Welcome guys, in this video I am with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'm going to show you how Camera Pro mode looks in this phone. We have to simply open the More modes and the Pro mode will appear right here. As you can see, we can find parameters at the bottom and at the top. So first of all, let's start from the ISO. It's on the left side, and there is also a quick note. Then each time you tap on each option right here, you can also find this information icon, and when you click on it, as you can see, you will get the description of each parameter. So if you don't know what is going on with these parameters, just read that quick description. First, we can adjust ISO with the slider manually and also automatically. Next option is the shutter speed. We can set it even for the 30 seconds. Here, that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually, and that's the exposure compensation. When you go in this place, we can adjust basically the focus range. So if you want to catch focus on the objects close to your lens, you will probably set it up for like 0.3 or 0.1 when it's very close. Like, let me show you manually. I'm gonna bring that button, and to catch focus on it, I have to set it for like 0.0. When I go for the 0.2, as you can see, I just lose focus right now. So that's basically the focus range adjustment. And also we can make the automatic focus. Here we can go for the white balance, where we can adjust the balance of the white color manually and automatically by tapping on this button. Next, at the top, we can find other options like contrast level, highlights, shadows, saturation and tint. And we can adjust all of it by moving the slider left and the right. When you click in this place, we can also find the matrix metering. Here we can change aspect ratio and also turn on the 50 megapixel mode. We can go, for example, for the full screen. Right now we can enable camera timer between 2 seconds, 5 or 10. And here we can turn on the flashlight. And that's all for the Camera Pro mode on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.